Welcome to the story of a little squirrel named Meme. She may look cute and cuddly, but today she's got a big challenge ahead. You see, Meme doesn't really like cleaning, but something magical is about to change her mind. Are you ready to join Meme on her big cleanup? Let's open the pages and begin. On a crisp autumn morning, Meme the squirrel stood in front of her cozy treehouse. She looked at the pile of fallen leaves with a deep sigh. "Oh no, not again," she muttered. Cleaning wasn't exactly her favorite thing. Grabbing her broom, Meme reluctantly began to sweep. The chilly wind blew against her cheeks, and her breath came out in a little white puff. "Why do leaves have to fall every single day?" she grumbled. Still sulking a bit, Meme gave the pile a determined sweep. Her eyes narrowed with focus. "If I'm going to do this," she said, "I might as well make it perfect." The sun peeked through the trees, casting a golden glow all around. As she swept and gathered the leaves, a faint smile appeared on Meme's face. "This is starting to look pretty nice." She hummed a little tune and kept on sweeping. The breeze carried the scent of autumn flowers. "I didn't notice how lovely it smells out here." Her tail swayed with the rhythm of her work. As golden leaves danced around her, Meme giggled. She twirled with her broom, feeling a little magic in the air. Maybe, just maybe, cleaning wasn't so bad after all. Inside the house, Meme began to wipe the shelves. She found her old teddy bears and picture books. Wiping gently, she said, "You were all hiding under dust, weren't you?" After a while, Meme sat down for a break. She sipped warm tea and munched on cookies. "Ah, this is the best part of cleaning," she smiled, snuggling into the cozy scent of cinnamon and lemon. Then she looked around and gasped. "Oh no, I moved everything around too much." Books and cushions were scattered everywhere. Night had fallen. Stars twinkled outside, but inside, Meme was in a rush. She held her broom again, sweating a little. "I guess the real cleaning starts now." And that was today's story from Mochi's Wonder Days. A cozy village, gentle friends, and just a bit of magic. What do you think will happen next time? Another adventure? A funny surprise? We'll have to wait and see. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can join Mochi and friends again soon. See you next time. Bye-bye.